for a natural and effective way to get hard water spots off of windows. Mix up equal parts of water and white distilled vinegar in a squirt bottle. Spray the solution directly onto the glass, focusing on any areas with stubborn water spots. Next, soak a rough towel or washcloth in the same solution and lightly scrub the glass with it. Let the solution sit on the glass for several minutes. The more severe the stains, the longer it will need to soak. Spray the area one more time with plain water to rinse the vinegar away. Then wipe the glass dry with a squeegee or a clean, lint-free towel or paper towel. If you'd rather not use vinegar, try an alternative such as lemon juice, toothpaste, or a commercial glass cleaner. To prevent new spots from forming, wipe your windows dry anytime they get wet. You can also try treating the glass with an oil-based water repellent cleaner.